Personalization. ASP.NET Personalization service is based on user profile. User profile defines the kind of information about the user that the site will need. For example, name, age, address, date of birth, phone number, etc. Websites are designed for repeated visits from the users. Personalization allows a site to remember its user and his or her information details and presents an individualistic environment to each user. ASP.NET provides services for personalizing a website to suit a particular client's taste and preference. This information is defined in the web.config file of the application, and ASP.NET Runtime reads and uses it. This job is done by the personalization providers. The user profiles obtained from user data is stored in a default database created by ASP.NET. You can create your own database for storing profiles. The profile data definition is stored in the configuration file web.config. Example: let us create a sample site where we want our application to remember user details like name, address, date of birth, etc. Add the profile details in the web.config file within the open tag system.web close tag element. When the profile is defined in the web.config file, the profile could be used through the profile property found in the current HTTP context and also available via our page. Add the text boxes to take the user input as defined in the profile and add a button for submitting the data. Attributes for the open tag add close tag element. Apart from the name and type attributes that we have used, there are other attributes to the open tag add close tag element. The following table illustrates some of these attributes. Attributes: description. Name, the name of the property. Type, by default the type is string, but it allows any fully qualified class name as data type. Serialize as, the format to use when serializing this value. Read only. A read-only profile value cannot be changed by default. This property is false. Default value. A default value that is used if the profile does not exist or does not have information. Allow anonymous. A Boolean value indicating whether this property can be used with the anonymous profiles. Provider. The profiles provider that should be used to manage just this property.